Yes, ready. There has been a mistaken impression in the minds of some of the members that there has been discrimination in taking up new projects and in the allotment of funds. Stop. I may clarify that there has been no deliberate attempt at discriminating against any region. Stop. But it is true that these are regional imbalances in regard to the growth of the railway system. Stop. However, this is a situation that has developed for a long period of time and is due to several historical factors. Stop. It will be our endeavor to minimize or even eliminate these imbalances to the extent possible. Stop. Para. Members have criticized about the condition of coaches and about other matters. Stop. I would like to point out to them that I have never tried to make this budget a populist budget. Stop. Significant attention has been given to the depreciation reserve fund. Stop. It is meant to replace the old and worn out parts of railways, including track renewals, coaches, wagons, and other rolling stock, signaling gears, lever, frames, distress, bridges, etc. Stop. I can give figures if the members want, but the basic issue is that these are not areas of the present. I will request the House to have this in mind. Stop. Para. Many honorable members were critical about punctuality. How can we maintain punctuality so far as the long distance trains are concerned? We have been able to maintain punctuality. Stop. But so far as the local trains are concerned, we have not been able to maintain punctuality. Stop. Simply because of the anti-social activities indulged in by certain sections of the people by chain pulling, etc. Stop. If chain pulling is done at every step, it is impossible to maintain punctuality. Stop. There also we have been very helpless because the railway protection force cannot do anything. Stop. Our poor officers cannot do anything. If they want to do anything, they will either be assaulted or something will happen to them. Stop. In this case also we would require the help of the state governments. Stop. I am always in touch with the state governments, having a dialogue with them, meeting the chief ministers and seeking their assistance in these matters. Stop. Honorable members may know I have given a slogan: safety, security, punctuality. Stop. Punctuality is a very important aspect. Stop. I can appreciate the concern of the members and I will do my best to maintain this punctuality slogan. Stop. It is not a slogan, it has to be done. But we have certain difficulties which I explained to the honorable members. I think with their cooperation we will be able to maintain punctuality. Stop para. I have been thinking on the lines of a suggestion which was given in Lok Sabha that like Bombay or Calcutta, Rajdhani train with all amenities and comforts should run connecting Delhi to every state capital stop. I am thinking on those lines and I have told the officers to do that so that it is not the monopoly of Calcutta and Bombay stop. Other state capitals could also have similar facilities and amenities so that they may not have a complaint for coming to Delhi from their own capital stop. Some members mentioned about overcrowding. Stop. It is there, and for this reason I have introduced a number of trains stop. I am going to introduce a number of trains only if the line capacity gives me a chance. If the line capacity is 100% stop. Now, Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I cannot introduce new trains if the line capacity is not there, but wherever it is there, I will see how many more local trains can be introduced. Stop. One thing more, I can assure the House that we are trying to do away with steam engines. Stop. Steam engines is the basic reason for late running of the trains. Stop.